Good morning students, welcome to St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. Lesson number 17, Journey of a Letter. Today we are going to continue with the page number 115. Okay. We have some question here. You can see. First one, what difference do you find in these letters? So students, letters are of many types. We found letters written on postcards, inland letter cards and in envelopes too. So our answer is letters are of many types. We found letters written on postcards, inland letter cards and envelope. Now second one. Which letters have stamps on them? So answer is all the letters have stamps on them. Third one. Are all the stamps similar? What are the differences? So what they say? Are all the stamps similar? What are the differences? So the answer is no. All the stamps are not similar. They have different pictures as well as different price mentioned on them. Next question. Have you seen the stamps of the post office on these letters? So answer is yes, I have seen the stamps of the post office on these letters. Now the next page. Collect different types of stamps and paste them below. So here we have one activity. You have to collect different types of stamps and paste them here in this space. You can see here students, this is post stamps. These all are different types of post stamps. This is of ₹1, you can see. 50 paisa. You can see these all are different types of stamps. So you have to collect this type of stamps and you have to paste them here. In this paste, you have to paste them in this paste. Okay. Now what is stamp? Postage stamp. So postage stamp is a small piece of paper issued by a post office, which was a token of prepayment for postal service. Okay. So in this activity, you have to collect this type of postage stamp and you have to paste them here. Okay. Now the next. Recognize the things which we find in post office and write their names below. Let's see. First one, you can see this card. This type of letter which is yellow in color is called postcard. Now second one, which is light blue in color, is called inland letter. So when we want to write a short message, we use postcard. When we want to write long message, we use inland letter. Okay. This is envelope. Now fourth one, this is postage stamp. Postage stamp is a small piece of paper issued by post office, which was a token of a prepayment for postal service. Now this one is revenue stamp. A revenue stamp is a label used to collect taxes or fees on documents. Now this is gold coin and biscuits. Now in the next page, page number 117, write your full address on the postcard given below. So what you have to do in this exercise? You have to write your You have to write your address here. First you have to write your name, then area, city, and you must have to write your PIN code number. PIN code means postal index number. Okay. Now the next. Think and write. Samira's letter reached Baroda by train. How do you think letters reach distant places where there were no trains? So they are asking that how the letters reach distance place when there were no trains. So when there were no trains, pigeons were used to carry letters to their destinations. Peoples were also used to carry letters to their destinations by hand. And horsemen were also used to carry letters. Now, what do you see in post office? The answer is we can see so many things in post office like envelope, postcards, stamps, inland letters, money order forms, etc. Okay. Now, can we send message abroad by writing a postcards? So, answer is no. We cannot send message abroad by writing a postcards. Now, what other works takes place in a post office? The answer is there are so many works takes place in post office like accepting parcel, money order forms, okay, work related paying telephone and electricity bills, issuing of national saving certificate for investing money, etc. Okay. So with this we are going to put a video over here. Okay students, thank you.